Today we're going to be unboxing something super exciting that makes me just want to say because it truly is. Because ColourPop just launched their Tangled collection. I'm secretly hoping that they are going to launch all of the Disney princesses. I mean, we have a Snow White that they dropped several years ago. We have Tangled now. We also have got a couple of princess ones. We've also got Anna and Elsa. So can we please get Ariel? Pretty, please. And Jasmine would be so much fun. Oh my goodness, the blues, I'd be all over that. Okay, let's open this up. Look how cute all this is. Explains everything that comes with it. Talks better on the back on this side. Really, it's just pure magic. It's absolutely perfectly encapsulating everything that has to do with Tangled. It's actually funny. I remember when this movie first came out, I was considering donating my hair again. And I was like, oh goodness, this makes me feel like I shouldn't donate my hair because I don't know if I'm ready to have my hair short again. Spoiler alert, I did cut my hair. I did donate it. And that was actually the last time I ever donated it because I missed my long hair so much. Don't judge me. I just feel like long hair works a lot better with me. Diving into this collection, in no particular order, but let's just talk about this. A cute little Pascal clip. I mean, seriously, it's so incredibly adorable. He's gonna be my emotional support hair clip. And he's holding a frying pan. Who knew, right? Next up is a cute little mini hairbrush. This is perfect for when you're going on vacation and you don't want to pack your whole hairbrush. So instead of getting those ones from the dollar store or Walmart, you get a much better one that has Pascal on it and is so insanely cute and comes with a mirror. I mean, really? Seriously, how perfect is that? Then we have 3 new lip glosses. The first one is in shade Flynn Rider. Although, isn't his name really Eugene Fitzherbert? We won't mention that. Next up is in Rapunzel, Gesundheit. And then there's also Pascal. Yay, he gets his own lip gloss. I love it so much. Then we also have some highlighters. I love that they've been coming out with more and more liquid highlighters. We have the shade Mother Gothel. Mother knows best. Then we have I See the Light. How appropriate for a highlighter. Yes. We have our Glitterally Obsessed Sparkle Gel in the shade Floating Lights. It is perfection. If you are not familiar with their Glitterally Obsessed, it's kind of like Jelly Much but better. And they're very pigmented and you're gonna see, we're gonna deep dive into it. Don't worry, it's fine. Then, not that I saved the best for last, but I think I saved the best for last. The eyeshadow palette. Of any collection that they ever do, the eyeshadows are always my favorite thing that they ever launch because ColourPop eyeshadows, they're not a want, they're a need. Cute is this, it's got Rapunzel. She's just so happy. And there's actually like some glitter on it, like some of the sparkles. Some of them I've actually gotten on my fingers and I'm not mad about that. Then look how cute the scene is in here. I love the ambiance and the packaging of this eyeshadow palette. It is so incredibly cute and a perfect nod to the movie. Now, in order to truly get into this unboxing, we need to do a makeup look using some of the products from this collection. So one of my favorite things is to share fun facts about movies, and I want to share some fun facts about this movie. And in order to do this look, I'm going to be using some brushes from Moda. And this is from their Sparkle in Store full face kit. That's what these brushes are. I mean, don't these just scream Rapunzel? So this movie originally came out in November 2010. So it's actually been 15 years, November this year, since it's been released. So I used 18th birthday all over my lid. And my goal right now is just kind of to do an everyday wearable kind of smoky look while still capturing the magic of Rapunzel and some of her golden tones as well. And I love that they have a golden tone color in here called Blondie because if they didn't, that would have been a missed opportunity. Let's be real. I'm going to go in with Lost Princess to give some more of that magical look that I'm trying to accomplish. I remember when the film was first being announced, it would kind of show like when you would be watching a movie on a DVD, there would be like the trailers, the little trailers, and sometimes you could skip past them. Sometimes if you didn't click at the right time, you would have to like keep skipping the chapters for the films. And I remember when I first saw the trailer, surprise, surprise, it wasn't actually originally called Tangled, it was called Rapunzel. So I remember this trailer actually showed it being called Rapunzel. I don't remember what movie it was for that I was seeing that trailer for, but it was like one of those coming soon to theaters. So like you could almost hear that introduction voice, can't you? Anyways, it was originally called Rapunzel, but to change it for more gender neutrality so that boys would also want to watch it, they decided to call it Tangled. And The original storyline of Tangled changed so many times. I don't remember the full details, but you can actually see them on the DVD when they show, the Blu-ray when they show the behind the scenes of how the story came to be. Next color that I'm going to use, Mother Knows Best. I loved the movie Spider-Man 2, and it has, I think, the girl Rosie who's married to Doc Ock. And if you didn't know or if you haven't seen that film, it's a really great one. But Doc Ock's wife, Rosie, is Donna Murphy, who is Mother Gothel. I had no idea that she could even sing, but apparently she's been on Broadway shows. And when I heard this, I was like, holy cow, she can sing. I was so blown away by her voice. Like in Mother Knows Best. You're like, what? Now to add some more dimension, I'm going to go in with the smolder in the outer corners of my eye. One of my favorite lines from the song Mother Knows Best that always makes me giggle when she's like, the plague, no, yes. The plague, no, yes. I just love the way they deliver those lines. I've always thought it was so funny. Next up, we're gonna add some shivers. How about some Stolen Crown? I always thought it was super adorable how Rapunzel's trying to put the crown on and Pascal's just like, then she actually does it the right way and Pascal's like, Pascal, giving main character energy. Oh, this one's coming off kind of like a, almost like a super shock shadow. It's very sparkly. I'm going to go in with Max. No one appreciates you, do they? Do they? I mean, we all just love Max, didn't we? Now I want to add a pop of her blondness to it, so I'm going to go in with Blondie and just go in the very inner corner by the tear duct. I'm going to go in with the bottom and add just a little more of Mother Knows Best. And then just for funsies, let's add some of All Those Days on the bottom. And that is the completed eye look. It's very simple, it's subtle, but still a pretty good nod to Rapunzel and her color scheme. Now let's add some more things to this look. We're gonna need some highlighter. I think we're gonna go with I See the Light, because why not? Now, I've always had some questions since seeing the movie, and because I'm an overthinker, I always think about these things. For instance, when Mother Gothel first sees the flower, how on earth does she know what song to sing to get it to do its magic?
Ah, I told you she'd be important.
What once was mine.
All right, you get the gist. She sings to it, she turns young. Creepy, right?
Like, all we know is that she just starts singing to it. Where did the song come from? That is never explained. Wow, that is pigmented. I am so in love with that. Blynn was doing a job to get the tiara, and they said, if you do this job, you can get your own castle. Well, what was the job? Who were they going to sell the tiara to? This is never explained. It has always bugged me. Were they going to take it somewhere? Was it just something they were doing on their own? Were they just going to sell the jewels in it? Because honestly, of all the crowns to steal, you're going to steal that one? Really? That one was extremely precious to the king and queen. That's just low. I'm going to go on top with Mother Gothel because we're just going to be a little bit extra. If you can't see this highlighter from space, then I have officially failed. Both of these are just stunning. Oh, I'm feeling using Rapunzel's actual gloss. So let's do hers. Another few things. Why didn't Mother Gothel just change Rapunzel's birthday? I mean, she didn't have to keep her birthday on the same day. So why didn't she ever change her birthday so it wouldn't be on the same night as the floating lights? Also, they always just called her in the kingdom. Oh, that is so lovely. And it smells good too. They always call her the Lost Princess. Did her parents not name her? Did Mother Gothel give Rapunzel the name Rapunzel? These are the things that I want to know. I have also not seen the Tangled Ever After series. If you have seen it and any of these questions are answered in there, could you please let me know, because I've always been wondering this. Another thing, I have always thought it was very kind of Mother Gothel to at least teach Rapunzel how to read. But I wonder if it was for the intent that Rapunzel just learned how to cook and cook for Mother Gothel. But still, Mother Gothel did cook for her because she makes hazelnut soup, her favorite, with parsnips. So these are the things that I've always wondered, and I would love to know some answers with this. Now, I know I'm already wearing the 2 different highlighters, but a little extra sparkle never hurt anybody, so we're going to go in and use the Glitterally Obsessed Sparkle Gel. This is the shade Floating Lights, and the fun thing about Glitterally Obsessed shadows is that they come like sealed. So you always want to make sure that you always put the cover back on so that it doesn't dry out. And they are just so much fun. And it's just a little bit extra sparkle. Because why not? I'm just gonna accent. Oh my goodness, stop it. Dude, this can just give you Rapunzel's freckles right there. Would you wear this every day? I just wanna know. Okay, here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you had any of the same questions that I did about Rapunzel or about the movie Tangled, please let me know. I need to know that I'm not alone in these questions that I had. Let me know which product you are most excited about in this new collection that ColourPop has just launched. And thank you so much, and subscribe for more.